up, guys? It's your boy T-Mass. We arrived in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and that was a long drive. I've been up since 3 a.m. but just wanted to come on here before the video really starts. Well, that is if I record a lot this weekend, which I plan to do. So hopefully this video turns out how I want it to. But I haven't made a video in a long time, so this is like me getting back into it. And shout out to Charles for letting me use his Osmo Pocket 3. This thing is fucking awesome. But yeah, it's beautiful out here. Airbnb on the river. That's our house. The Civic made it. Good morning. It's Friday morning. Shooting Chris's car. Jasmine's here. We're on the river. It's like, how cold is it out?
50.
36.
It was 36 degrees. It still says 36.
It still says 36.
Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hardly come me.
up, brother? Welcome to Riverside 2024. We got some cool shit going on here.
Yo, what I hear, baby? We live. Yo.
Yo, what's up, brother?
What's up, guys? We here. Oh, shoot.
Where we at? Where we at? Hold on, come back.
Riverside, Chattanooga, Tennessee. That's it, man. We've been here 2 years, but
Are you
I love
excited?
it. Quality of cars, love it. I love the vibes. We come here for the people, not just the cars.
What up, guys? So, successful day over at Riverside 9. The show's over. I'm hosting a photo meet, so that's where we're at right now. And I got a bunch of cars, a bunch of people, a bunch of photographers, car owners. Just an opportunity for people to like chill after the show, get some photos.
guy's fucking awesome.
That was the last shoot of the trip at Chattanooga. Yeah, we're heading back to the house right now. We're gonna grill. Amazing weekend. I had a lot of fun. It was cold, but also during the day it was pretty hot. So the weather was like bipolar. Was very bipolar, but still better than Florida somehow. But I think this is the last of my face you'll see in this video. But enjoy the rest of this. See you later.
Is this a little camera?
Oh, I'm going in.
Terrence can't come, baby. You already know.
Oh my God, it's a Z. It's a Z. Homeboy's looking over here like, damn. We're going back.
Start a fire.
I'm so sorry.
What the hell is that?
I'm so sorry.
Do it again.
Share Justin.
Okay.
All right, back to what I was saying.
The last video clip cut out, but kudzu, that's me, yup. Haha, baby!